Where'd my food go? No, listen. I know it.
What's up, Fat Fair 5? We are going to see some monkeys on the side of the road somewhere in Clearwater.
We're going to see a lot of primates at the Suncoast Primate Sanctuary.
This is a Artino family tradition. You were driving by one time, you saw this place?
Yeah, saw an animal. I think I was maybe 10 years old. And we were driving by and my dad said, that's it, we're going in.
So we're taking the kids here today. I have no clue we're going to see. It's raining, as you can see from our lovely ponchos. Let's go see some primates.
Let's do this.
You're here now. What are you expecting?
Monkeys. Lots of birds.
Some birds. All right. No expectations then.
You have chimpanzees, orangutans, alligators, turtles, tortoises, birds, lemurs, you name it. Wonderful. We take just about anything. This is their forever home. They'll never be sold, traded, or put back in the wild. A lot of our animals are older here, so we keep a good track of their diet. They way outlive their life expectancy in the wild here. Double or triple.
How strong is that cage? I hope it's really strong.
Party time. What do you think?
I'm gonna pet you, alligator.
What do you think, so? What do you think?
That is mine.
I'm pretty much professional.
You're professional now?
I'm an alligator holder.
That tail. Oh, I was gonna flip my hand around, but I guess not. What do you think about that?
Goodness gracious.
What did he do?
He just put his foot down like that.
What a joker.
Yeah, you're funny.
All in all, how has it been, Emily?
All in all, it has been a successful trip.
We held some snakes.
We held some snakes. We held an alligator. It was a good day. A little rainy, but at least it's not hot and sweaty.
No, yeah, big difference there.
Yeah, I would say that the Chimp Farm Sanctuary is a 10 out of 10.
10 all day?
Yeah, it's for family fun. Yeah, there's laughs. It's good times.
On the kitsch scale,
Oh, kid scale, through the roof.
pretty high.
Yeah.
This, the roadside attraction value of this is very high, and the staff is very nice.
Staff is extremely hospitable.
And when you're buying a ticket here, you're helping these animals who wouldn't live a good life otherwise.
Yes, because this is a non-profit animal rescue sanctuary.
Good times.
Yep.